AI computer vision is an area of artificial intelligence that focuses on the ability of machines to interpret and understand visual information from the world. This can include tasks such as image recognition, object detection, and image segmentation. One of the key applications of computer vision is in self-driving cars. These vehicles rely on a variety of sensors, including cameras, to understand their surroundings and make safe driving decisions. AI algorithms can be used to detect and track other vehicles, pedestrians, and road signs, allowing the car to make informed decisions about when to brake, accelerate, or turn. Another area where computer vision is making a big impact is in the field of medical imaging. By using algorithms to analyze medical images such as CT scans or MRIs, doctors and researchers can more easily detect signs of disease or injury. This can lead to earlier diagnoses and more effective treatment plans. In addition to these specific applications, AI computer vision is also being used to improve the capabilities of drones and robots. By giving these machines the ability to see and understand their surroundings, they can perform tasks such as search and rescue, inspection, and delivery more effectively and safely. Despite all these advances, there are still many challenges that need to be addressed in order for AI computer vision to reach its full potential. One of the main issues is the need for large amounts of high-quality training data. In order for AI algorithms to accurately recognize and understand different objects and scenes, they need to be trained on a diverse set of images and videos. Another challenge is the ability to perform well in real-world environments, where lighting, weather, and other variables can change rapidly. Overall, computer vision is a rapidly growing field with a wide range of potential applications. From self-driving cars to medical imaging, the ability for machines to understand and interpret visual information is set to revolutionize many industries in the coming years. Thanks for watching.